quickly secure long hair with this Hair Stick Twist Updo. Gather your hair into a low ponytail. Then wrap your hair up around your finger, creating a loop, and use this loop to twist and pull your hair upwards, laying the loop flat against your head. Using a hair stick, find the inside of the loop and insert the hair stick into one side. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and push through the underside of the loop, coming out the other side of the inside of the loop. Use your fingers as a guide to lift the end of the hair stick up and over your hair. Tuck any ends into the underside of the twist and secure with pins if required. This hairstyle will fast become your go-to for a quick and secure updo. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.